Dad, there's light. So we're in the parking. I'm still in the parking. Let's roam around. Now walk.
Kahit ba sa ulo, grabe, ako dadaan sa tangirin.
So that's how we're going. Dad.
Inaabot lang daw talaga yung time ng video, sabi nito.
So I'm
Baka
gonna roam
nag-overheat,
around
sira raw yung
in the
gauge.
car, sitting down.
Nag-overheat na pala nung paakyat tayo. Kaya parang mahina.
My shoes.
Pero kaya pa rin, no?
Look at those water.
Sira raw yung gauge. Hindi ko na naman makikita na nag-overheat na.
Having a break in the parking. It's a car.
Pinagtibay pa rin, no? Lalo, namin sa Quezon, hindi dala eh, no?
Look at the light.
Diba, dito ng Quezon? Sabi na yung overpay lang mo yung mga palitan eh.
Look at the cars over there.
Yung dala namin dito sa Quezon.
Oh, this is